Happy Friday, West Hampton Beach. I'm Dana Stachnick.
And I'm Carly Bossung. Dane, did you know I could swallow fire?
What?
Okay, well maybe not, but let's see what other talents West Hampton Beach showed at the Variety Show in April.
Hi, I'm Jesse Buchter, here with West Hampton Beach's Hurricane Watch, and we're here in the District Auditorium where the Variety Show is about to take place. Let's see what West Hampton has to offer.
My name is Patrick Osborne.
I'm Jack.
Katie Torrt.
Dustin Greco.
And I'm Stephanie.
And I will be singing Daydream Believer.
We're singing For Good from Wicked.
Nowhere Man by the Beatles.
I'm performing my cricket noise.
Sunrise by Our Last Night.
What I like about the variety show is the people that are there and the audience, and it's just a good experience. If you want to get yourself out there as a talent or anything, it's really cool and the people are really appreciative.
I've always liked the variety show just because, hey, it gives you some experience up on the stage, so why not?
From Justin Greco's comedic cricketing to Megan Renna's classic cover of Dancing Queen, the audience enjoyed an evening full of great music, comedy, and even some dancing. Thanks to student government and all of the talented participants, West Hampton Beach's 4th annual variety show was a tremendous success.
So what do you think of the show? Good overall performance.
Carls, who do you think you are, prom queen?
I wish I was. I'm just the birthday girl.
Let's see who this year's junior prom king and queen were in a recap of last Friday night.
Last Friday, April 25th, the junior class danced the night away at their junior prom at the West Hampton Beach Country Club. Let's take a look.
The 2014 Junior Prom Queen is
Every year, West Hampton Beach hosts the Special Olympics basketball tournament.
This year was a great success thanks to event organizer Mark Cotter and over 100 volunteers.
Let's see what went on last Sunday.
Good morning, West Hampton Beach. I'm Brian Schwartz, and I'm here at the 2014 Special Olympics. 7 teams from across the island came out to participate and play. Let's take a look. Thank you to everyone who made these athletes feel like hurricanes.
All right, boys lacrosse is up next.
The team is doing really well this season. They just took down rival ESM last weekend.
Here's a look at the team by Jodie and Brenna.
What's up? Wyatt here from the Varsity boys lacrosse team. Just going to talk to you about the season real quick. First off, this season, legendary, going down in the books. Starting goalie, Pat Dean, killing it. We absolutely won the games that we needed to win.
And they don't have no award for that. Don't come with trophies.
We're playing great as a team, being led by Emma Galasso and Pat Dean in goal.
We absolutely have 2 big games coming up against Cumsrock and Islip, and we're absolutely going to win. Right now we're 4th in the county.
We made it.
We're absolutely trying to make playoffs, and at 6-3, I think we absolutely will. We are absolutely going to make playoffs, either home game or away game, doesn't matter.
This Saturday we had a huge game against ESM. It was a great game to watch. If you didn't come down, you could probably find out everything about the game on Twitter.
And yeah, absolutely.
Good luck to the boys today at their game in Mattituck.
Everyone remember to wish Carly a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Carl.
Carly.